Good afternoon. I'm Jordan Atkinson, and this is Next Generation. Technology. Technology is something we heavily rely on in our everyday lives, but is that what's going to take over our jobs in the future, and has it already? According to a study taken by the University of Oxford in 2013, it's estimated that in the next decade or two, more than half of those currently employed in the U.S. will be put out of work due to the replacements of robots and machines. Some call this the start of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, and many say that the start of the Fourth Industrial Revolution has already begun, bringing us incredible innovations like cyber-physical systems. However, when and what were the causes of the first technological revolutions? The First Industrial Revolution began in 1784, where mechanization, water power, and steam power dominated the industry, followed by the Second Revolution in 1870, which led to an increase in mass production, assembly lines, and electricity. The latest industrial revolution began in 1969, which was the year computers and automation skyrocketed. Although many were not pleased with these new revolutions, much was gained from them. By the end of each industrial revolution, it had already brought huge economic growth, created many new jobs, enhanced transportation and communication drastically. As technology continues to grow and get stronger, we must ask ourselves what role the government should play in this technological uprising. For example, during President Trump's campaign during the 2016 election, the NSA was caught tapping President Trump. The NSA was further leaking this information to the public, FBI, and CIA. Regardless of what was said, should the NSA be allowed to control our technology like this, and especially without us knowing? The government also has the power to look at your data, to see where you've been and who you've talked to, can even see what you have searched or looked up, and can continue to tap into phone calls to hear what is being said. However, the government should still actively be involved in helping the economy grow by encouraging new technological ideas that will enhance today's society. The best way to achieve this goal is by realizing the pros and cons it will bring. Yet the government still seems to shut down new ideas, and especially in our schools. I personally have not had the opportunity to experience with new technology ideas due to the lack of sources the school allows us to use. Alex Corey, co-founder of Hacking EDU, and John Stossel's special, Tech Revolution, says, technologies are evolving so rapidly and schools can't keep up. He continues by saying, you're never gonna get there with all of this bureaucracy. Alex makes a very good point, considering that more than 7 million new jobs require typing and computer skills, and it still has not become a requirement in U.S. schools. It's expected that out of the 1.7 million jobs lost by men in manufacturing, production, and construction, more than 600,000 jobs of those in architecture, engineering, computers, and mathematical functions will be created. Well, this concludes today's episode. I'm Jordan Atkinson, and you've been watching Next Generation.